Welcome to the Selma Kit for MODO. These selections are made according to geometric criteria. Select by Normal selects elements according to the angle between their normal and the specified axis. You can set a minimum and maximum angle, and you can reverse the axis. The operator also has a rotation input which you can use to configure other directions if required. Select by Distance selects geometry according to its distance from a given position. You can specify a minimum and maximum distance. One way to set this up is to connect the world position of a locator to the From channel of the selection operator. Select by Plane selects all the elements to one side of a plane. By default, these planes are centered at the origin and are perpendicular to the chosen axis. You can choose whether to select the positive or negative side of the plane, and you can plug in a transform to adjust the selection plane if required. The Selma Kit for MODO is available on Gumroad now. See the links below.